Hello, this is Todd Ryan from Westboro High School in Westboro, Massachusetts. This is my screencast on ancient Chinese history. And boy, do I mean ancient. Many of our textbooks emphasize the contributions that have been made to science in Western countries by Western scientists, but they consistently neglect the contributions that have been made in other countries by other scientists. Yunnan is a province in China which is rich in natural resources. Over half of all the plant species ever found in China have been found in Yunnan province. The likelihood is that this abundance has been present for millions of years, and it's also home to many significant fossil beds because of this rich abundance in natural resources. One of these fossil beds is called the Chenjiang Maoshenshang shales and is considered a Lagerstadt fossil site. The reason Shenjiang is considered a Lagerstadt fossil site is because of the rich abundance of fossils that were exceptionally well preserved there. The other thing that is rather unique about this site is the age of the fossils that have been located there. These fossils are found from a prehistoric time that we have little information about, called the Precambrian. Most of our information about the Precambrian consists of very small, one-celled organisms, but close to the end of the Precambrian era, a time came which is referred to as the Cambrian explosion, during which all of the modern phyla of animals that we have identified came into existence. The Shenjiang is the oldest site on our planet that identifies some of the fossils from that time. In Shenjiang, we've been able to identify 17 different phyla of animals that are currently still in existence on our planet. This is, for many instances, the earliest example of all of these phyla that we have anywhere in the world, and as stated previously, they are exceptionally well preserved. One of the more significant ones that you can find is first listed on the website. It's called Haikuella lanceolata. Haikuella is one of the earliest examples of a chordate, the phylum that humans belong to, that we have. The reason they're considered chordates is because they have a brain and they have a heart in the same position, along with a dorsal spine. Many lower invertebrate organisms have their spine or nerve net on the undersurface of the animal. So this is rather unique to have it on their back side. One of the differences, though, is that Haikuella does not have a skull. Another very famous organism that has been found in Shenjiang is Anomalocaris. Anomalocaris is pictured in many different magazines as being one of the largest arthropod predators that has ever been in existence in the sea. The image that you're seeing on the screen now is one of the pinchers from that particular organism, Anomalocaris. There are lots of other fossils that you can go to experience and to explore by looking on the Fossil Virtual website. Period. Many science textbooks have to choose amongst many different examples of excellent science to illustrate the examples that they're trying to portray. Because we live in a Western country, information about our fossil beds is typically easier to find. The most common fossil bed that I heard about growing up was called the Burgess Shales, which were found in North America by an American geologist, period. This should help illustrate that fossil finds and science have been working to further our understanding of the planet all over the world, period.